L'année Paris, it's Greg, and welcome to this training that will explain how to use Novalya and IO simultaneously and why. So you should know that this training already allows you to learn how to make recurring income. Recurring income is interesting. Why? Because, for example, when a person registers and she is registered with you, you're going to tap into a recurring income, meaning it's going to come in every month as long as the person is subscribed, whether you're on vacation, working with your family, or previously. And that's very important because a real job, physics as usual, if you're not there, outside of the holidays that have taken place, the pay you're entitled to. And well, in fact, if one day you decide to stop working, this income isn't there anymore. With recurring income, if one day you decide to work on another activity, this income will continue to fall. So people are registered, and that's very, very important to understand right now. Then SystemeIO. Maybe you already know SystemeIO is made for deepen and succeed your conversion. To present your message, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or any other day of the week, whether you're present or not, you have a page that allows you to present your egg similarly all the time. That you're in a good mood, that you're in a less good mood, your message will remain similar. And it's always tough to be at 100%. That's why automation allows for a lot of things. Beware, there's a little problem. The thing is that SystemeIO isn't going to attract customers for you. It will only convert the customers you bring to it. Novalya, at this level, will serve you rightly to attract customers to your pages on IO. That's very important to understand because Novalya in automatic, in the same way that IO will allow you to attract the right people to your pages if it's cute to go out, that you can convert and that see you automatically. And I hope you're going to enjoy it because there's more behind it, a certain amount of bonuses that you will discover throughout this training. So follow well, press the finish button at the bottom of the video when you've completed the whole lesson to see a bit where you are in your progress. This way it helps to improve the training, the content, and to see what people like, see where they stop, what could we add so that people can really until the end of his life. This progression, okay? In any case, I wish you good luck with this training and success with Novalya and IO. I almost forgot. Know that as much for the Novalya, you can benefit from a live training where you can ask your questions. This is really important because these aren't just videos you can watch. Of course, you can check them out again on replay, but it's mainly about so that you can go ask your questions directly, solve your problem directly, and constantly improve your strategy. So if you decide to go through my link for a subscription, you can enjoy complimentary coaching with a certain number of hours depending on the subscription you choose. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year.